Hello and good morning everyone. So right now we are here at SMDC Wind Residences here at Tagaytay City. So ngayon mag-review tayo ng isang foreclosed property on Tower 2, 23rd floor, Unit 8. This is a one-bedroom unit, 26 per meter for 3.9 million pesos. So tara, pasok tayo. So on my left would be a small cabinet here. Yan. So you can have this stay as is or you can remove this to make more space. Then, on my right would be our toilet and bath. So, yung toilet and bath natin comes with a sink, a little space here with a socket, I believe, for washing machine, tank type water closet, overhead shower, and yung overhead shower natin already has a provision for hot and cold. So next, this space here can be your living, bedroom, or dining. So you can arrange it any way you want. So ito, parang yung previous owner, naiwan niya na yung mga gamit dito. So on my left can be your living room. You can put your sofa here. By the way, yung mga gamit na nakikita natin will be pulled out upon turnover. So ito naman po, this can be your bedroom area, and this space has the provision for a split type air conditioning. So yung condenser natin is located outside. So this is our partition. So you can have this removed if you want, but this is a glass partition na very efficient for this unit. So as you can see, walang nakabukas na ilaw pero napakaliwanag ng unit. So this unit not only has a good natural light, at dahil nakabukas na yung window, binuksan ko kanina, napakaganda rin ng ventilation for this unit. So ipaparentahan mo to, hindi na kailangan mag-aircon ng mga renters natin. So, pasok tayo dito. So, this would be our dining and kitchen area. So, yung kitchen area natin has overhead cabinets, granite countertop, stainless steel sink, and under counter cabinet. And you do have a space here for a refrigerator. So, ayan. So, ito yung dining area natin. And let's check the view for this specific unit. So, ang view natin would be the amenity areas, Alfonso, Tagaytay area. And I don't know if you can see right over there sa may bandang dulo, tanaw pa yung Metro Manila. Yan. So, are you interested to get this specific unit? Send us a message now.